What's up, everybody? Mike back here with you. Today we're going to be talking about changing over our can seal gaskets. You're going to want to inspect these about every million cans for any kind of cracks or if your fill heads are leaking or anything. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. When we're swapping out our gaskets, we want to change them out one fill head at a time. We've got our fill head gasket, which lives right down here, and we'll want to keep the rigidity and the integrity of that nice and flat in there so that it'll stay in place. So we'll just go one at a time and changing them out. Each fill head is held in place by 4 7/16 bolts that thread all the way through the block, down through this plate, and thread into this centering bell here. Once our hardware is removed, the centering bell should drop down. This is our bottom of it. And then our can seal gasket will just pull out like this. And this is where we'll want to inspect for any kind of cracks or anything that might be causing a leak inside of our fill head. Once we're ready to retighten our hardware, we're going to notice down here that the centering bell is sagging down a little bit. So we'll want to hold that up, and then we'll start hand threading this hardware back in. We'll want to do this in a star wheel pattern. Okay, we're all tightened back down. Should be good to go. Nighty night, keep it tight.